Good day, everyone. My name is Ibrahim Taiwo Victor, and I'm making a feedback video on the MMM Nigeria Gather School. I'm one of the students in the school section for batch 241, and I'm Ibrahim Taiwo Victor. Our mentor is Mrs. Teresa, and she really did well in mentoring us. She did a great job. I want to thank some people which I will mention their name shortly, which is Mr. Olumide and Mr. Sanda. They really helped most of the members to like know what to do. The funniest part, when where I cannot forget, is when everyone was rejected um, from the registration link, that is the guider forms link to the Skype account, and then everyone was like, am I live or guest or and so on. And then during the gather school days, we were able to complete tasks and as acquired us, and the ideology behind MMM, how it works, rules and regulation, benefits of being a participant, and people who doesn't know how to use some apps like Google Docs, um, screencasts, and all other documents such as what's it called? Go to meeting app, and other apps were taught how to be used. And with that very lecture, they can now use those apps perfectly. I am one of those who can't really use screencast because I don't even know what it is being used for. So I actually benefited from that also. I can now use Google Docs, Google Sheets, and of course go to meeting. We also learned to watch for one another, work together, and part that would have been difficult for us was when we wanted to choose a representative for our group, but to my greatest surprise, everyone in batch 241 um, were really great. They did not fight for the leadership, they only voted, they didn't fight. So it was a really great experience. I also learned how to relate with people, how to be patient, how to listen, and to, of course, give solutions to their problem. I want to say a big thank you to our mentor once again in person of Mrs. Teresa for giving us a real good time in the Garden School. She wasn't hard on us, and she she took her time to explain to us, and with that we all hope we have a good result. And I also want to say a big thank you to Professor Maros Sagi. I also want to say a big thank you to Professor Sagi Mavroji for making the MMM community a success. Thank you.